Hello and welcome to Wilderness Wanderers. If you're new to our channel, I'm Kat.
And I'm Kev. Today we're in Palm Springs. We've come up the Palm Canyon Trail all the way to the Indian Potero Trail to the Stone Pools.
Let's show you how we got up here.
Here we go.
To the sunshine, come and see what it feels like. Higher, higher than we climb. I know somewhere that you and I we can stay. Why?
Indian Canyon is located minutes out of Palm Springs. Today we're sharing 3 hikes in one. Palm Canyon Trail is an easy 2-mile out and back. Or you can add the Victor Trail to make it 2.5 moderate loop. Or you can do what we're going to show you and add the Potero Trail. And that made it approximately 7-mile hike. The most difficult option would be to do it in reverse.
All right, we're starting at the hike, Palm Canyon hike. Another very, very popular hike. Let's see how we do.
Palm trees only can survive with their heads in the sun and their feet in the water.
If you're enjoying this video, let YouTube know by giving us a thumbs up.
We're gonna keep going up Palm Canyon Trail to the Stone Pools. About a mile, mile and a half.
We're gonna be hot, we're gonna be blessed, we're gonna be dangerous. We're gonna be now, we're gonna be next, we're gonna be flawless. We're gonna be bad, we're gonna be flush, we're gonna be Vegas. We're gonna be fire, we're gonna be fight, we're gonna be on. Ain't no dream, better believe what you see.
Ooh. This is very apropos right after I fall.
The main hazard on this route is the lack of water and cell service, so make sure you have more than enough water and a GPS locator.
We're gonna be flawless. We're gonna be flawless. We're gonna be flawless.
Beautiful up here, guys. Quite the hike to get up here. Whew. I'm not kidding when they say it's difficult.
We're gonna be silk, we're gonna be rocks, we're gonna be dropped.
We arrived at a trail junction and took the Indian Potero Trail about half a mile up.
Right there, can't touch the untouchables. Ruby red, yeah, we're the originals. Guaranteed we're gonna come out on top. Future's eyes, so now you better listen up. We're gonna be flawless.
We made it down into the wash here, and as you can see, Stone Pools are this way. The trail keeps going. This is going to be our stopping point. This is what we were hoping to come up to see.
No way. Check it out. Stone Pools.
We're gonna be hot. We're gonna be now. We're gonna be flawless. We're gonna be bad.
This is awesome. I'm not going to lie. Pretty arduous hike to get up here, but totally worth it.
We're gonna be flawless. We're gonna be flawless. We're gonna be flawless. We're gonna be on.
If you have the energy to come up here, it is fantastic up here. It's fantastic. And this is a dry year, so to see water up here is absolutely great. So we're saying goodbye to the pools. We're going to make our way back down. Oh, look at these. Yeah, aren't they gorgeous? The trail for the stone pools is right here. So right at the bottom of this stone section. Now let's see if we can get back up here now. Woo, it's steep. If you want to see how we got fit, how we lost 120 pounds between us, and keep it off, I'll put a link to that video in the description below.
We are about 3 miles in. We're about to head back, and here we go.
If you've watched any of our other videos, you'll know Kev likes to run. Me, not so much. I got a new pad. You can get it on Amazon. I will put the link in the description below, along with all the other stuff we use. So apparently we are now leaving the treacherous conditions.
People come here from all over the world and hike in the summer when temperatures can reach 115 degrees. We do not suggest desert hiking in the summer.
This section is actually rated hard.
It doesn't go for very long.
Yeah, the hard section isn't very long. It's maybe about half a mile. But as you can see, it is pretty steep. Here we are, back at the bottom, back in the Palm Canyon. So guys, if you don't want to go up to those stone pools, that was a difficult hike for sure. If you don't want to do that, you're going to stop right here, and then you can either make your way back, or you can do what we're going to do.
Yeah, we're going to make a loop. We're going to take the Victor Trail back down to the trading post.
Adds a mile, but I think it's going to be worth it. It's a new trail for us, so here we go. Let's see.
Here we go.
For the journey back down, because it was so steep coming up, I'm going to heel lock my boots. If you're not sure how to do that, I'll put a link to our video of how to heel lock your boots coming down a mountain to save your toes, your ankles, and just your feet in general. There's the parking lot we're trying to get to. Trail, for there's a bunch of trails around here. Anyway, we're going back to the trading post, half a mile from here. Damn, that trail kicked my butt. Oh, we're back amongst the palms. Shoot. Okay. All right. Guess where we're going? Yep, you guessed it. Back up. Oh. If you choose to do the most difficult version of this hike, basically our hike in reverse, the Victor Trail begins at the additional parking lot. Although this trail did kick our butts, it was a brilliant day. Click that thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video and leave us a comment below and let us know what you think. You can also follow us on social media.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button. We post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. From Kat and Kev, your wilderness wanderers, we'll see you on the trail.
Stay wild.